Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. I know we're having tough times these days, coronavirus going on, and all the other stuff that's going on because of that unfortunate event that happened in Minnesota last week. So I hope everybody is safe and cool heads and everything, and hopefully we're going to come out of this soon. So take care, everyone. I wanted to do another unboxing. Got another plane today from my favorite store, Panda Fox Toys, and let's see what it is. Of course, I know what it is. Cameraman here, Jerpp, doesn't know what it is. Jerpp is my son. And by the way, I'm recording using my new camera. Later on, I'll tell you what it is. There we go. Let's see what we have here. Nice packaging. Another coupon code. Ooh. What do you think, Jerpp? What's this look like? Been waiting for this for a while. Of course, I wanted one with no additional designs other than just the Etihad, but it's the best I could do. Just came out. Phoenix model. Airbus 380. Etihad Airlines. Say yes to London. Nice looking box. There you go. Ooh, I like that. That looks really nice. That's not London Bridge, by the way. That's Tower Bridge. People call it London Bridge for some reason. Sides of the box. Phoenix model. And now let's do some unboxing. Hopefully I won't break the box this time, so I won't have to use any fancy sound effects. So heavy, but not as heavy as the Gemini Jets model. The Airbus 380 Gemini Jets seems to be a lot more solid. I have a few of those. This is going to be my 5th Airbus 380. That collection is growing. I don't know how many airliners do the Airbus 380, but I'm going to try to get at least one of each. Wow, this looks nice. Be careful with it. Let's see. Do a quick inspection. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let me set it down for you so you can look at it. Nope, no rocking. There's the antennas, all 3 of them, plus the Wi-Fi box. I don't know what this one is for. I'm going to have to research it. What do y'all think? How's it look? It looks beautiful. I like the color. I don't know how accurate it is. I'm going to have to research that. I don't really do Etihad. I do mostly Delta and other airlines. But since this one's landed in Boston, not the London one, you know, choose London or like London or whatever. The regular Etihad has landed in Boston quite a few times before the coronavirus hit us, which is why I wanted just a plain vanilla Etihad Airbus 380, but those are difficult to find, and if I do find them, they're like in China or somewhere across the world, which means that it probably can't get here because of the restrictions, and if it can get here, it will take forever. So that's why I say I'm going to collect at least one of each one of the airlines. This one I'm going to eventually get in just plain vanilla Etihad livery. You want me to bring it in closer? Good detail on these Phoenix jets. And one thing, go ahead and focus on like the wings. One thing I like about the way Phoenix does the Airbus 380 versus how even JC Wings, but versus how Gemini Jets does it, is that you can see that the wings are flat. They bend up and then they go down. It's just planes on the land. It's not flying or landing or anything. Gemini Jets wings, they tend to go up. On another video, I'll show you the difference. And even JC Wings does that. So I really like that about the Phoenix Airbus 380. And let's get the underside next. the Etihad name. Landing gear's kind of loose, so if you ever get these, just be careful with it. The wheels all turn. They normally do a good job. Phoenix does. A lot of detail on those engines. One thing I don't like about Phoenix is they seem to overspray, so you don't really see the gaps of like where the flaps go and air brakes and things like that, because they tend to overspray a little bit too much. But they did a really nice paint job. Looks good. I like it. Let's get the tail. It's the biggest tail in the industry. And there you have it. Etihad Airbus A380 by Phoenix. So let's bring it over to the rest of my collection. So there you have a Korean Airlines, Emirates, the I forget who this one is, High Fly Airbus 380. Not too late for coral reefs. That's a nice one. One of these days I'll show you more details of those planes. British Airways, Qatar, and now Etihad. And if you'll notice, that's a mighty big board with a lot of space that's soon to be filled in by more Airbus 380s that should be underway. So more unboxing videos coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with your friends, show some support. I'm starting this out. Want to share all my excitement with you guys for the love of model airplanes and die-cast airliners. Shout out to some of my friends out there. You'll see it in the information in window. Shout out to my buddy here, my son Jerpp, for doing the recording using a new camera. By the way, it's a Canon M6 Mark II with the M22 lens and a ProMaster LED 120 light. Right now you're only getting recording off of the camera. I should have a nice microphone coming in this week and also a much better light as well. So I'm looking to improve these videos to give you guys nice quality content. Again, to share my excitement and love of these collectibles. Like and share, and please subscribe, and go ahead and comment anything you like, whatever you want. I live in Boston, a lot of things going on. Go ahead and comment about any tips you may have for me, any aircrafts you might be interested in seeing. My collection is growing. I'm close to 100. If not past that, I need to check my database. Pretty soon I'll start sharing with you 1 or 2 videos of all the models that I have and give my opinion on each one. Wish you're safe, wish you're doing well, and we'll talk to you soon.